Hello guys, welcome to ChandraAwesome. Well, this video is particularly about the new tool that recently Onshape launched called MCP Server. Okay, so MCP Server is nothing but a communication tool between that helps to communicate with our AI model to the Onshape document. Okay, so previously we don't have these tools. These so what we do, we simply go to our AI models and give our prompt as we want and let it create the code in the behind, and it creates the model whatever we want. Just like we did in the previous videos about using the Atom tool, just by giving the prompt, it creates writes the code and designs the object whatever we want here. Okay, simple. So OnShape Maker is it has a official tool, so we don't have to struggle with AI tools that to make multiple iterations. So this MCP server helps to uh, create a clear connection, so the tools can communicate each other and fetch the actual information clearly. So it just makes our work simple. So we never thought that these tools comes up, but it actually helps. So the main motto of this tool is to create the feature scripts. Okay, so like you can create your own custom tools on your own based on what you struggle for repetitive tasks. Okay, we already have the video on about this. You can check in the tool, but here I am going to show you how to set up this tool so you can also use it. Okay, and the one thing is this tool is completely free, but the API limits counts. Okay, and it has a time period as well. So I will show you one by one everything. So let's start the tool usage. Okay, so before going to the setup, let me show you how does it works actually. So simply, let me open the new document. Just make a duplicate, and in the new tab, open whatever you API tool that you use, not the API tool, I mean AI tool. For example, I'm going to use open the ChatGPT. Okay, so this is the ChatGPT I opened, and I want to open the. Okay, let's keep it simple. I'm not creating any document here. Okay, I'm just, for example, let's remove this prompt. Let me show you. I have already linked the Onshape MCP server here. Let me show you. Search for Onshape. Yeah, if you see this, I have already added to my chat GPT. Okay. I'm just simply open the new chat and I'm click, just simply either click on the plus icon, choose the plugin whatever you want, or simply type at the rate on shape on server and click it. Now you can give the prompt you want. For example, uh, I want to not I want to create a customizable size of a car wheel with different dimensions as user inputs. So I just came given the simple tool and clicking enter. So what it does is it is going to communicate with the Onshape tool with your account, and it writes the code in the feature script and let you use it as a tool in your Onshape document. Okay, let's did, let the on ChatGPT write the code. In meanwhile, I will explain how does this API allocation works. So if you go to your Onshape account, you can click on the account settings, click go into my account, and you can find the developer option, right? Click on it. So here you can see the API requests. So usually you have the number of requests. For my account is an educational account. Okay, so for my educational subscription, it is having a 2,500 requests per period. That is for 1 year. Okay, so since I already used 270 days, I only have the few number of days, so and few number of requests that I can able to use for further usages. Okay, and for you, the type of based on the type of account you have, you can check in your account settings. Okay, so this is the API limit that going to be used. Okay, so let's go to check our chat GPT. Let's see what it actually creates. So it's asking the permission, so let's allow it for once. Okay, so you don't have to create the document as well, it will create the document on itself. And make sure for showing you to the example, I written this simple prompt and simple tool, but in real time on your cases, make sure you use this tool as much as when it is very important. Okay, don't use it just for simple tasks, because you may able to lose your request and you cannot able to do on the rest of the period. You have to wait for 1 year if you able to, or if you complete the request within the 1 month or 2 months. Okay, so keep in, and you may also buy this request. I think I haven't checked this, but maybe you can try with the settings, or else Onshape itself will let you send the email. You can check right there. Okay, I think the tool is taking time. Okay, let's see. I'm currently forwarding the video to make it to save the time. Okay, well, as you see in the chat, finally it created a tool for us. So let's open the document from here. As you can see in the highlighted link, just open the link and see what it actually create for us. So it's named Features Script MCP Workspace. So this is the default, just like a normal tool that created by our ChatGPT. Okay, I think this is a feature script. We have some errors. Let it be. Let's try to edit the tool. I'm going to click edit. Oh, okay, we didn't get the edit options. So I think it user inputs available, video, everything. So it takes the default inputs by itself and created the design in our Onshape document, as you see in the screen. So it's simply like uh, CAD to text. Sorry, text to CAD tool. Okay, just like we given in the Adam CAD, it is doing the same. So instead of Onshape giving or collaborating with the other AI tools, it's letting us to select our own AI models to design our feature scripts. Okay, this is how you can work. This is that simple. So let me show you the process of linking. Okay, it is very simple. You just need to go, as you can the home screen, you can find the option. Just click on get it in App Store. It would redirect you to the Onshape App Store, and you can find the Onshape Labs which scripts MCP. So it is actually free and API limit applied, just as I explained previously. Okay, so you have the option called subscribe. Click on it and authorize the application, so it will be added to your Onshape account. Okay, once you add it, you have to do is go to your uh, AI model like ChatGPT or Cloud or Gemini, whatever you want. So, for example, I'm showing you in the ChatGPT. Okay, so you just need to simply, first of all, you have to do one setting called uh, go to your ChatGPT account settings. You have to enable the developer option here. So you can find the developer option or else simply click search for developer. Seems like it's not showing here. Let's go to plugins. Yeah, you have the developer mode here. Click on it. You have to enable the developer option. Then only you can link this MCP server, because here you can see this is the setups is given. You have to let your A model communicate with this link. Okay, so once you enable the developer model, you can find the option within the plugins, this plus icon. So simply click on plus icon to create your own MCP tool. Name whatever you want, like for example, Onshape MCP, and you have to give the connection. That connection link is this URL. Copy that URL and paste it in the connection. So once you uh, paste the link, click on terms and conditions and click on create. So once you click on create, it will ask take you to the Onshape page through the uh, ChatGPT, and you have to log in again through the ChatGPT window. So once you log in, it will be authorized and added to your AI tool, just like you see here. That is Onshape MCP. I will show the edit settings. I'm going to click on manage. So this is the Onshape MCP, and so once I added, this is the metadata. Everything will be added automatically. You don't have to do anything. Just simply do what I just till now, and it will be added. So once it is added, you can check the connection by simply go to the new chat and search for at the rate on shape or whatever the name you given for the MCP, and ask for is it linked and the API location. So it will give you the API allocation. It will give you the how many requests you have and everything. So then you can sure be ready that this MCP is working. Okay. So if you would like to link to the Claude, it is simple as same. We just need to go to click on profile. So it is asking get apps and extensions. Click on it. Let's wait a second, guys. My system is not loading. Damn, man. Yeah. Okay. It's working. Okay. I think this is not the option we need to use. Just a second. So in the Claude, you can uh, in the chat, the Claude chart, you can find the option plus, and you can click on connectors and go to add connectors and add custom connector. Since I already added the Onshape here, I am not able to add the new custom connector because I'm on a free plan. Okay, you can simply click on add connector, just do the same process, paste the link and authorize it, and it will be added automatically to your Claude. So you can simply ask the Claude to communicate with the Onshape MCP and create the custom feature. So as you can see, this is my new tool that I'm going to create called clearances custom tool. So it is on development. I already completed 90% of the work, and I just need to test that to whether it actually working. So basically, clearance tool, custom tool is for cre- creating clearances for the parts based on the manufacturing method. So if you feel like you know 3D modeling, but you do not have the idea about what type of clearance you have to maintain for the products based on the manufacturing method. So simply, this tool lets you to choose the type of manufacturing process and the fit type. Based on that, the clearance value will be applied automatically. Or else, if you still want to use custom clearance value, you can even choose it. So when going to manufacturing, it will be easy, and you don't have to worry about the clearance values and have the easy fits between the assembled parts. Okay, I'll make a video for sure in future. So this tool is completely made by the using Claude only. So I will make a new video on this and teach you everything. Okay, so that's all about MCP server tool of Onshape. It's pretty easy to connect and pretty easy to use. So I hope this video is helpful for you and create your new own custom tools for your repetitive workflows. And thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. And if you have any ideas of making a new videos or having doubts, please let me in the comment box. I'll definitely reply to you. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.